Welcome to our guide on how to allow specific friends to see a story on Facebook before posting it. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story located on the left side of the screen to start creating your story. Step 3. Capture a new photo or video using your device's camera, or select one from your gallery to use as the content for your story. Step 4. After selecting or capturing your content, you have the option to customize it by adding text, stickers, or other effects to personalize your story. Step 5. Once you're happy with your story, tap on Privacy at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 6. Choose the custom option to select specific friends who you want to view your story. Step 7. Finally, tap on Share to post your story and make it visible to the specific friends you've selected. By following these steps, you can share your story with specific friends on Facebook before posting it, allowing you to control who sees your content and connect with a targeted group of friends. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to share a story with specific friends on Facebook before posting it. Enjoy sharing your stories with the friends that matter most to you on the platform.